Okay, hi guys. I know this is gonna be quite random, I think, but yeah. So I made like a Instagram post on kind of like what you want to see or like what you want to see me eat and stuff. Well, I kind of made like a poll on like whether I should do like a fitness video or like a food video. Anyway, I'll just show you how I make my chocolate smoothie. I always make them and it's healthy, although I say chocolate, but it's really healthy. And I have made an Instagram post about it. Like I've posted a picture of like the chocolate smoothie, but I don't know, I just love making it and I want to just show you guys how I actually do it. So yeah. Also, this is my first time filming like food, like, you know, recipe, like filming like methods of how to make some stuff, so bear with me. Okay, just gonna run you through what you need. So I've put out everything here and I'm just gonna show you. So all you need is frozen bananas, almond milk, but you can sub out with any milk you like, some ice, frozen kale, or you can use fresh ones, I prefer fresh one, some maca powder, chia seeds, cacao powder,
cinnamon powder, spirulina powder,
I hope that was helpful, or like you were wondering why is it green, why are my stuff green? Because of the spirulina powder. And yes, I put kale in, but the kale does not taste as strong. Just make sure you don't put more than a handful. However, if you don't want to put kale in, you don't have to. I just put it in because I just want to get my greens in. But yeah, that's why it's green. But I promise you it's sweet. It tastes like chocolate smoothie, but I don't really like too sweet, so it's not too sweet, but still sweet and tastes like chocolate. And this is like my go-to, my staple. Like I always make this. Give it a try, put kale in, sneak it in. I will put the recipe in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you like this video, or if you don't, then well, whatever. But if you do, thank you very much for watching and for taking your time. And yeah, let me know if you actually try to make it. But otherwise, just yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.